Okay guys, this is Lego Star Wars 75267. This one here is the Mandalorian Battle Pack. It does have the Mandalorian Shock Trooper and Speeder Bike. This one here is going to be for ages 6 and over, and it has 102 pieces. So the book itself will have instructions on how to be able to go ahead and put your build together. You can see there, and this book has, let's see how many pages. Roughly it's got, I don't know, about 40 pages. And just to go ahead and let you know, every single gun on this particular set will shoot. So you can see that little lever there. If I was to push that lever, that little red Lego will actually go ahead and shoot out. So anyway, just want to go ahead and give you a really quick 360 view on these so that you can see what they look like. It does not have any kind of stand or anything on it, but except for this one here, which has a base. The biggest one, which is going to be this Lego piece, is actually going to be measuring about, looks like 3.5 inches. And it's only going to measure about 2¼ inches tall, if that. So just wanted to go ahead and give you a really quick overview of this particular set. I don't know if I can get him to stand up. There we go.